Hi and assalamu alaikum once again. Welcome to my channel to all of you. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more latest update videos. Thank you. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about the Cummins QSX15 CM570 power generation interface PGI wiring complete, explained pin by pin. First of all, we are look the this is the our ECM. Okay, ECM have three connectors: OEM ports, customer connector, sensor connector. Okay, first of all we are going to explain the one connector, then another. This is the our sensor connectors. This connectors is connected to all the sensor engine sensors: camshaft position sensor, crankshaft position sensor, ambient temperature, air barometric temperature sensor, fuel pressure temperature sensor, and oil pressure sensor, coolant temperature sensor, intake manifold pressure sensor, and so on. Look at that. This is the pins 47, 41, 42. This all the pins. Any sensor have three wires. Blue wire is the signal wires, and the red wire is a reference voltage 5 volt positive, and the black wire is return signal. This is all sensors: coolant temperature sensors and oil level sensors, and pulse width the modulation output. Okay, look that this is the all complete sensor. After that we are going to explain the another actuator port. This is the middle between. This is the actuator port connector. Okay, this is all working with the fuel control systems. This engine have four fuel control actuators: front fuel and rear. Two is mount on front and two is on rear side. Okay, look at that. This is the pins of fuel actuators. Our engine have four actuator, two on mounting on front and two from rear. Okay, very simple. After that we are going to explain the another last one connectors OEM, which is this. This connectors is this types. The top one, look at that. Let's have this pins. This connectors is working with the engine starting systems. Okay, if you have any problem in the starting circuit, you can check this wires. This 18, 28, this five red wire directly going to the 20 amp fuse, and throughout the 16 pin power connector, and throughout and directly going to the starter motor and battery between positive wire connected. This is and lower 29, 30, 39, 14, 50. This is four wires is joining together splices and directly going to the battery negative post, and from here out directly going to the starter solenoid, starter motor ground. Okay, OEM connector. This two green wire and one black. This is the cane system, cane wirings. This have 2 ohm, 120 ohm, 2 resistor on each. Okay, look that this is our starting circuit key switch. One wire is directly going to the starter solenoid, and one is directly going to the 16 pin connector throughout and going to the upper control system. Look at that. This is the starter motor. After that you can see this red is DC, blue is signal output. This wire means this color, that means. Okay, this is the starting circuit. From key switch, one wire is out Positive white wire is out to the starter motor starter motor solenoid, and one is going to directly to the top of. Look at it. This is the unswitched supply. One is going to directly to the emergency stop button. This is all complete wiring of. Look at that. This is the priming relay. This is the fuel activation relays. Directly going to the 16-pin connector and throughout the jump with the battery positive and starter motor positive, and directly going to the starter motor positive. This is the whole wiring of QX15. Thanks for watching and goodbye.